The most common way to ask the question, "What is your name?" in Italian is
Come ti chiami?
which literally translates as, "What do you call yourself?"
Come ti chiami?
The most natural responses to this question is,
Mi chiamo,
"I call myself," or
io sono.
"I am."
E tu come ti chiami? Mi chiamo Giulio, te l'ho già detto 1000 volte.
And you, what's your name? My name's Giulio. I've already told you that 1,000 times. If you're talking to someone who is A, much older than you, B, of a higher status, or C, a stranger, the polite form
Come si chiama?
is preferred.
Lei come si chiama? Mi chiamo Giovanni Agnelli, ma i miei amici mi chiamano Gianni.
What's your name? My name is Giovanni Agnelli, but my friends call me Gianni. When talking to a group of people, you would use the plural,
Come vi chiamate?
"What do you call yourselves?" instead. An alternative form in spoken Italian involves asking the name of the person using the affirmative structure with a raised intonation at the end, in the hope that the person will do you the favor of completing the sentence.
E tu ti chiami? Paolo, piacere di conoscerti. Ciao Paolo.
And your name is? Paolo. Pleasure to meet you. Hi, Paolo.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.